Hey, it's your AAA bestie here. And today we're talking batteries. Your car's battery is its heartbeat. And a lot of people don't really talk about the battery until it's too late. If you're not driving your car weekly or going for long car rides on a reg, a battery tender charger is your new best friend. It helps extend your battery's life during long periods of inactivity.
Remember, your car's battery hates the cold and extreme heat just as much as you do. So when you can, park it in the garage. Lastly, make sure your batteries are clean. Corrosion can really choke your battery's performance. If you see any, it's time to tidy it up.
Get AAA car batteries where and when you need them in 3 easy ways. At AAA car care centers or AAA approved auto repair facilities, participating NAPA Auto Parts locations, and via our mobile battery roadside service. Every AAA car battery comes with a free 3-year nationwide replacement warranty. Plus, AAA members get special savings on all AAA car battery purchases. Stay powered and drive with confidence, knowing we've got you covered no matter where the road takes you.